Hello and welcome to Deep Dive into Cricut Design Space. Today we are going to be going over the very basics of Cricut Design Space, starting with the how to get there and log in. So we're going to go to Cricut.com. That is where you can find almost anything Cricut related. There's tons of cool stuff here, tons of things you can check out. You can see how to make, if you're looking for, a project to do or something like that, you can shop for things. I would recommend probably buying anything Cricut related from Amazon or from a third party, since Cricut products tend to be pretty expensive. You can also check out their products and the capability of their products by going to the products section. Experience, it just shows a couple more things about the Cricut, things that have been made, different materials that are able to be used in the Cricut and stuff like that. So this website is very helpful. It is very nice. Go to the projects section, check out projects. It'll probably show you how to make a couple of them. Like this dog, it would be pretty cool to make. I love this wall art. We might make one of those in the future. Paper crafts, absolutely incredible. I hope someday we do indeed get to do that, especially here at the Makerspace. Hopefully when the COVID-19 pandemic is over. All right, now to get to Design Space, as you saw, we open this and we click design. I'll just close the second tab. It'll open up this. So if you have never downloaded Design Space before, obviously you click download. Otherwise, click open. You can also take me to Design Space for web. It's not very good, and you would just log in here. I definitely recommend downloading and then click open Design Space. It's just super easy to use with the desktop version, and I just much prefer it. So once you're here, you can see more information from Cricut. Here are your saved projects, so you can see all the projects you've made in the past. I have quite a few. These aren't all of mine, but there are a few of them. You can start a new project here. You can see more Cricut Access things. These do cost money, or buy Cricut Access. We don't have it here at the Makerspace yet, but in the future we may have it. All right, now to see more options, go up near this home thing, and you can select many options. So if you go to view profile, you can present shared projects. That's super cool if you enjoy sharing projects, and I'll probably share some projects here someday as well. You can follow me and check out my shared projects. You can click canvas here. It'll bring up the Cricut Design Space canvas. I have some stickers open from one of my customers back when I used to make stickers. Now you can set up a new machine. This will very rarely happen. So you can check out your other machines. Not incredibly useful because most machines are already pretty much set up when you get it. Calibrate machines. These are very helpful. You need to definitely make sure you calibrate your machine if it's off, especially when doing print and cuts. Manage custom materials. That's very helpful for if you have, a material that's a little strange. We can't do it because we don't have the machine hooked up, but this would be a very rare thing for you to do. Update, go into account details. I'm not going to show you all my account details, obviously, but if you need to, check out your account details, go there and just log in. Link cartridges. I'm not sure what that does. But it's not very important. I know that. Cricut Access. So Cricut Access is the subscription Cricut it's just a subscription for Cricut. It gives you access to unlimited fonts, all of these different projects here. However, I think you can probably make a lot of these projects yourself with just a little bit of time. While they are really, really cool and very nice, and they do tell you, quite a bit of how to do it, I think that a lot of the creativity with the Cricut doesn't come from taking this object and printing it and then just calling it done. I think for me at least, a lot of it is in the design process and the thinking and stuff that went into making your project. I think that's where the real fun comes from. Now, there's the settings page. You can do full grid, partial grid, or no grid. Obviously, set your language English. I will always use partial grid. I feel it's the best. It shows either a 1x1 imperial, so inches, or a 1x1 or this is actually 2x2 in the metric centimeters, versus I like to use the imperial system for Cricut. I know it's not ideal for everything, especially since the metric system is superior in a lot of engineering and that style cases. But for these small projects, you're definitely fine using the imperial system. All of this stuff is almost completely useless except the sign out function. And if you do need help, obviously click the help button. The problem is that I feel like their help pages aren't very well built out, and they take absolutely ages to get back to you if you do reach out to them. So definitely don't recommend looking for help from Cricut. You should always go on YouTube. There are tons of YouTube videos for almost anything you need help with. And obviously, sign out to sign out when you're done. Always sign out on all Makerspace computers. I know they reset every night, but your account details are too valuable to risk someone else getting a hold of them. I know we're all good people here at the Makerspace, but it's just still not worth the risk. Always log out of your stuff. It's just best for all of us. It makes it so that no one else creates a project on your account, or, there's tons of things that can go bad when you're leaving your account open. So just please, whenever you're done, go up to these this triple hamburger option and click sign out.